This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook steak on the stove. Selecting the right cut is crucial. A ribeye or New York strip, about 1 1/2 inches thick, works best for a perfect sear. Always pat your steak completely dry with paper towels, as this prevents steaming and encourages a beautiful crust. Letting it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking also ensures an even cook from edge to center. This simple preparation step makes a significant difference in the final taste. Proper seasoning and pan temperature are key to a delicious steak. Liberally season both sides of your steak with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper right before it hits the pan. Next, get your heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, incredibly hot over medium-high heat until you see a wisp of smoke. Then, add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado, swirling it quickly to coat the entire cooking surface. This ensures an even, non-stick sear. Now for the exciting part, searing. Gently place your seasoned steak into the screaming hot pan, making sure it has full contact with the surface. Do not move it. Let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing that beautiful, deep golden brown crust to form. Flip the steak only once, then sear the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes to develop a similar, rich crust. This initial high-heat exposure locks in the juices and flavor. To finish cooking and add incredible flavor, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, along with 2 cloves of smashed garlic and 1 sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon that fragrant, melted butter and aromatics over the steak. Baste for about 1 to 2 minutes until the steak reaches your desired internal temperature, typically 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.